You're doing it. You're doing it. Good girl. Yay.
Someone's clapping. Go, Rai. Come on, swim over here.
Kick your feet.
Kick your feet, Rai. Come over here to Mom.
Mom, you coming back in?
Yep.
This way.
You're doing it.
Someone's like, okay, I'll just,
Wow, I couldn't even do that.
Come on, Rai.
kick your feet. Good girl.
Good girl, kick your feet. Come on, look at Rai.
Oh, it's a movie picture show.
She could be an Olympic swimmer.
Maybe. Come on, Rai. It's funny, like 5 minutes ago, she wouldn't let go of anybody. Come on, get over here, kick your feet. Kick your feet.
Look at Xander. Hey, what's up?
What's up?
I got that pink duck.
Hi, honey, kick your feet over here. Come on. Come to Mom. Get over here. Come on. Kick your feet.
You're doing it. You're doing it.
Blow bubbles. Good girl. Come on.
She's realizing that she's floating by herself.
Good girl. Okay, you're almost here.
She could float without the waterway.
No, no.
You did it.
Yay! Good girl.
You're done. You did so good.
Hi, Zan.
Mwah, you
What's
did
up, little man?
You want to do it again?
Hi. Boof. A boof.